my name is Veronica and I am a professional dancer, professional twerk dancer, and today I want to talk about my favorite queen because I found her shake on social media, okay, and I saved that video so we can talk about it and we can learn how to do the same. And let's figure out our queen Cardi B, because she always twerking obviously, but this is a video from her on the stage and she doing some type of performance. Okay, so this is the shake. Yeah, fast circling, and then she goes a little bit slow. 1, 2, and a vine and a vine. So I'm here to help you learn that because this is my favorite move personally, because it looks perfect when you're standing. It's easy, but it still looks so hard, and so many people doing that wrong, because now it's a lot of challenging on TikTok, so people are dancing and a lot of TikTok trends, they have this movement, but people doing it wrong, and this is when it looks not so good. That's why her video looks so great and it's like shaking, because when you're circling, not everyone can shake. But today I'm going to explain you how exactly we can do that. Okay, first of all, you have to remember, when we push our butt to the front, we are sitting. Boom. Okay, and when we are standing up, our back goes back. Okay, so first we're gonna sit and just do normal circling. We go 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, no standing up, no nothing, no different levels, just circling. Yeah, it's just important that you go to every side pretty much deep. Yeah, and if we go front, we really push it front. Yeah, we didn't go like back, we go front, back. Yeah, circle is a circle, we go everywhere. And then, as I said before, it's very important to remember the technique. We practice it right now. Yeah, we sit and stand, we go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we start pushing our lower back. We go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You really stretch it front and the back, and you have to just put it in your brain that you cannot do the other way. You cannot do 1, 2, 1. You cannot sit and push your butt back. When you sit down, when your knees are sit a little bit, you push it front. Please keep it as a religion, okay? And this is when we start practicing circling, okay? We did, just normal circles, and then we start to sit. And when we sit when our butt is front. We go 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2, 1, 2. This is how you have to practice. You really stop yourself when you're sitting, because all of my students, slowly, okay, they understand we have to stop here. When we're sitting, our butt is front. But then when we go fast, they start to do this. They go 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah? This is super Asian type of style, in my opinion, because a lot of choreographers I saw, they do this. But this is not how Cardi B does. We are learning from the queen today, okay? This is not what she does, okay? So, watch out. We have to go faster now, and we go front, and we sit. We go 1 and a 2. Other ways, it cannot shake, because it's shaking because we sit down and we push it from, so your butt, goes down like this. So this is how it can shake. And then we stand up from the side and it looks good, okay? Let me show you from the back. We go 1, 2. You see, this is how it goes circling. If I do it wrong, this is how it looks like. You see, it looks I don't know, silly in my opinion, but we have to do 1, 2, sit, sit, and front, 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 front. And she does very fast, that's why it's shaking. And we practice fast now too. You ready? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 1, 2. See? My knees just working with my butt together, and it goes down. Yeah, my butt goes down when I'm squatting a little bit. Yeah, and that's why butt has this circling, circling, circling. So in her video, yeah, she did it fast, and then she goes slow a little bit, right? Watch it again. See? She does it very fast. That's why it's a little circle. It's not like, you know, crazy. And this is, yeah, and then she goes slow, right? Okay, so we're doing it right now. Yeah, we go slow and fast. We go yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and a 2. And then we go slow. 1 and a 2, and a 1 and a 2. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah. What can I say? I love Cardi B and everything she does. So I'm really happy that we learned that today. And I hope I will see more Cardi B twerking online because of my video. And I hope you like that. So thank you for watching.